Hello. Before I will start, let me quickly check if the streaming and the recording are active. Perfect. Okay, so I'm back once again on my old MacBook Pro 2012 running Void Linux, an independent Linux distribution. It's the glibc version of Void Linux and not the Mazel edition. Also, I would like to say that as always, I'm streaming on the Kick service and recording locally. Last but not least, today I have someone in the same room with me. That someone, it's they are sick and you may hear some noise like coughing or something. Excuse me for that. But back to the business. As I promised the other day, I will show you, I will fix a guide of everything, of all the changes that I have done, just like I did with Endeavour OS on MacBook Air 2012, that I will do the same thing for Void Linux on MacBook Pro 2012. And exactly that I have done. However, the other time I just mentioned this and never showed it to you. Just like the other time, after I will be done on and I will edit and upload the video on my YouTube channel, I will also link both of those special guides on the video description below. And maybe I will keep doing that in every other video in the future. But I will decide about it at some other point. Anyway, I will just show you this. This is the guide for the Endeavour OS. All the XFCE desktop environment stuff that I have done on my MacBook Air 2012. And it has it includes the scripts that I did on those videos. So yeah, anyway, you will be able to see everything in great detail and use the scripts as well with that guide. Anyway, maybe I need to. I just quickly skimmed through the XFCE guide on Endeavour OS, and it's quite limited compared to what I have done for the Void Linux. Void Linux, it's much more detailed and yeah, and includes of course the scripts as well. So here is the guide from the beginning to the end. All the steps that I remember me doing. Maybe I missed a few, maybe I misplaced few, you know, maybe I put step 5 to step 2 and step 2 to step 7, maybe, I'm not sure, but this is the order I think. So when you will open this document, Void Linux glibc XFCE stuff, you will be able to see all the commands, all the information in detail, like how to update the Void Linux system, how to install important things in order to apply the NVIDIA GPU, the discrete GPU, how to disable the Intel GPU of the system, when to restart or relog, how I changed the system's locale, like installing very important apps and utilities that I prefer to use, and I showed you in the past videos. how to install setup Flatpak and Flatpak apps, how to do a basic firewall setup. What else? Yeah, of course, apps and utilities for creators or creative people or creative endeavor people. And what else? As you can see, it's quite a lot compared to the Endeavour OS. And of course my script. I have compressed and uploaded the scripts and everything related to them. You can either follow the simple steps after you will download and extract the scripts, or just do it manually, because I have included the commands and everything in detail. And this is why this guide is much more detailed and much better. And also, this is not apparent because I went fast, I went quickly with it. Yeah, everything is in great detail. What I also did is that I've changed my scripts. I wasn't sure that I will do it, but I did it. My scripts now take into account the scale of the screen. So if the scale it's 1.3, 1.5, 1.7, 2 or whatever, the scripts will keep functioning properly, or at least they do in my case. So I don't want to do it now because I don't know how the streamer will react to this, but I surely tried it on 1.5 and 2. The default scale of the system is 1. To give you an idea what I'm talking about, it's this one basically. Here where it says resolution, it's 2 point, not 2 points, sorry. It's this resolution 2880, and on scale of 1. This is the native screen resolution. And I tried my scripts and they are working just fine with 1.3, 1.5 scale, I mean, and scale 2. No problems whatsoever. I didn't went, like various minor changes in the scale, but those that I mentioned, they work just fine. My scripts, I mean. And you can have even a better expose. For example, I will do it now with a few windows. And let's open Thunar, and last but not least the terminal. Okay, so basically what I did was the expose on my previous iteration of the scripts were like more chaotic, so to speak, but now it scatters the window, it spreads the windows even better, I think, in a more logical or more sane way. So yeah, so you can enjoy all these changes, or you can be inspired and just do much better scripts for your systems. But yeah, as always, you see the computer running Void Linux, streaming, recording, having multiple apps open, and doing expose and all that. No problem. You can fire up apps, you can quit apps, expose, no problem, like it's nothing. In my opinion, compared even to some modern systems, Linux distributions based systems as well, it may seem snappy, as snappy or snappier even. But yeah, what else? Oh yeah, one last thing that I want to mention is that maybe this will be the last Void Linux on this system, maybe. If I will have the time, the next stream, the next recording and stream, they are going to be on another system of mine, like not so old but not so new system. It's fully AMD based. It's a laptop that has AMD CPU and AMD GPU. discrete and built-in. So basically both GPUs are AMD based. Hint hint, it's going to be MX Linux running on that system. So yeah, if everything will go well, next recording will be from that system. Otherwise, I will see what's left to show you in this old MacBook Pro and Void Linux. Yeah, I think this is it for today. I don't want to waste any more of your time. I will link both the Endeavour OS and the Void Linux guides on the video that I will edit and upload later on my channel. And as I said, most probably, I think I will do that. I will be linking those two guides on every video that I will be creating moving forward. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!